Ciao a tutti ragazzi and welcome to this new video Dotto Cocktail. Today we're going to make margaritas. We're going to start by making some frozen margaritas because I think they're unbeatable when you're at home with your friends and family. The second cocktail we're going to make is a very elegant classic margarita that we will make if we were behind a professional cocktail bar. And the third one is going to be a margarita with tortillas and homemade habanero and bell pepper jam. So if you guys are ready, vamos! The margarita is one of the most popular cocktails in North America. For a good reason. Combining the tang of lime and the sweetness of orange liqueur with the distinctive strength of tequila, the classic margarita strikes all the right keys. To start, we're going to cut a lime in half and pass it all around the rim. Let's get our kitchen salt and make the rim. Great, put the glass on the side for the moment and get your blender out. To simplify the recipe, we are not going to use triple sec at all. Instead, we are going to balance the sour notes of our whole lime juice with this delicious agave syrup. Very tasty indeed. Pour about 10 ml. And let's get our silver tequila. Let me show you a few brands that you can find everywhere. And let's pour 50 ml. My blender is not made to break ice, so I will make it in smaller chunks before to make a mess. And now, let's fill it up and we are good to go. Put your frozen margarita in the glass, and just in case your guests are not big fan of salt, get a colorful paper straw. Let's also recall the ingredients that we use in the drink with a fresh slice of lime as a garnish. And if you agree with me that frozen margaritas are the best, smash the like button.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea.
I personally didn't understand what you said, amico mio, but anyway, let's move to the next cocktail, the classic margarita. Get a glass and put it in the freezer. Let's grab a lime, and this time we're going to peel it before to cut it. Bene, cut it in half and let's grab the shaker. Fill it up with ice and squeeze 25 ml with your Mexican elbow. Get your bottle of Cointreau and pour 20 ml. Next, our 100% blue agave tequila. Pick the brand you prefer and pour 60 ml in the shaker. Get the glass out from the freezer, and this time we're going to make only half of the rim of salt. This time we don't have a blender working for us, so I will take care of it. In the meantime, help me to reach out to more people on Instagram and TikTok. Grazie. Double strain the drink in a glass and set it on the side, just for a moment. Let's give an elegant look to this margarita by shaping our lime zest. Give it volume and place it on the side of the glass. Enjoy, amici miei, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one. Next up, the bell pepper margarita. Start to clean the bell pepper and cut it in small pieces. Take an empty bottle and infuse the bell pepper into 150 ml of silver tequila. Bell pepper has these earthy and sweet flavors, perfect for spicy margarita. Let's make the jump. Get the rest of the bell pepper and chop it as much as you can. The habanero has most of its spicy flavors on the seeds. And that is why we're going to get only the meat, and how you can guess, it is already spicy enough. Get your hob and let's switch it on. Add some herbs and a pinch of salt. Now that our veggies are much softer, let's place them in a bowl and add some agave syrup. Tabasco, only for the braves one. Obviously, let's not forget our habanero. Blend everything and keep it for 30 minutes in a fridge. In the meantime, let's get the rest of the garnish ready. Prepare your glass with a rim of black salt. Get a tortilla and cut it so they can fit on the top of the glass like a sombrero. Cook it until crisp. And now let's get the clear ice block ready. As you can imagine, I'm preparing this cocktail more like an old-fashioned, simply because shaking it will weaken the strong flavors, and that would be a pity. Pour 60 ml of bell pepper infused tequila, 5 ml of agave syrup, and 15 ml of fresh lime juice. Add some Tabasco if you like. And now it's time to build the sombrero on the top of our glass. Tortilla, bell pepper jam, and let's create some lime zest to break the red color. And then you have it, the Pro Margarita. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked my little selection of margaritas. The first one, a bit on the sweet side, love it. To be fair, perfect with family and friends. The classic one goes a bit more on the sour side, so a bit more interesting in my opinion. And the little twist of mine, oh my gosh guys, that was an explosion of a sweet, sour, agave syrup, tequila, the earthiness of the bell pepper. That was just amazing. Obviously, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and to click on the bell to get the notifications. And with that being said, I shall see you next week with a new video. Ciao ciao from Italy!